Hey friends, if you wish to use your own picture on Gmail background, then please watch this video. Now this may have sounded simple, but it's very difficult. You'll have to go to Google Photos. Okay, now go to this website, the Google Photos one, and you will have to sign in. It's actually photos.google.com. Cancel, keep it on, whatever you want to do. Now change this to your current account, and then click on continue, and then don't allow. And now you will have to upload the picture. So click on import photos, and then you can upload the picture from your system, original quality. Okay, and then it will need a while till it picks it up here. Now once it is added to Google Photos, return to your Gmail account, click on the settings symbol here. Now click on view all corresponding to theme, go to my photos, and wait till the photo is added here. Okay, so we'll hit enter once again to confirm that, and we will check. Okay, we'll click on the settings symbol here. Now we will scroll down and select see all settings, go to themes, set theme, and then my photos, and go to photos, and it will show the photo here, and click on insert, and then you can pick this as a theme and click on save, and now you'll find your photo as the background, as you can see here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.